This is PowerKeeper. I exist for one reason: to validate a new possibility of C and I ESS. Every part is precisely assembled. Every step is honed to perfection, forged in the details. PowerKeeper is born. ACE-007, Ace Prophet, is more than a code name. It's the proven solution. Tested through extremes. It carries the confidence to perform. No matter how far the mission, we travel fully equipped, arriving exactly as planned. On site, mission start. Tight space? Fits where others can't. Limited time, 1 person, 3 steps, 5 minutes. Then station is online. Stability is the foundation of profit. Every kilowatt hour delivers on the promise. Mission accomplished. Story continues. This is just the start.